Welcome to Living on Campus at UC San Diego. We're the maintenance and custodial team, and our services are included as part of your housing package. We are here to help you with standard maintenance and custodial issues. When something goes wrong in your space, you can reach out to us to determine the problem and fix it. There are two ways to submit a Fix It request. In case of emergency, call 858-534-2600 for an immediate response. Here are some examples of what would be an emergency. Plumbing problems, such as no hot water, uncontrollable leaks, or a clogged toilet. Elevator issues. Gas smells. Problems with your lock. Locked out of your room. Or anything that you feel is a hazard to your safety. When calling, please be prepared to give the college name, building name or number, suite or apartment number, your name, and contact information, including your PID. For issues that don't require an immediate response, you can submit a Fix It request online at hdhfixit.ucsd.edu, and your issue will be addressed within 5 business days. Examples of non-urgent issues include routine custodial requests, light bulb replacements, heater problems, broken blinds. You get the idea. Concerns about pest control must be submitted online or through the Fix It hotline. Once a Fix It request has been submitted, you will receive an email with a confirmation number. Be sure to keep it handy in case you need to follow up. If you do not receive a confirmation email within 4 hours, please call to speak with a representative. Our customer service center is open 24/7, and we are happy to update you on the status of your request. We're here to help.